Hi guys, I'm very happy today because I got these beautiful smart fairy lights which are awesome and they have a lot of cool features which I'll be explaining once I show you these amazing LED lights. And this is it. Over here we got the lights with a USB port which we are gonna plug into the power to use it, a remote for changing the lights and all the different modes that we'll go through that in a while, and a manual with all the steps to learn how to use it and control it. There is two ways in order to use these lights. The first one would be using this remote, but the other one would be downloading the app Idea LED, so you can have it in your phone and control it through your phone. Guys, I'm in love with this product. These fairy lights are amazing. It has a lot of cool features that you can control: colors, intensity, from soft to stronger. It also have a timer that you can switch on or off depending however you want to use it. These lights has a really cool feature that I love. It's related with the music. So you can play a song that you like and the lights are gonna change the chord with the rhythm or the melody. This is awesome. Take it slow, but it's not taking. And also it has this little mic over here that if you press, it's gonna follow your voice. I love it. These are super cool. It also have different scenes. You can use it like for Christmas, for a tree, and you can control the colors right there. On photograph. They are amazing.